Russia's PAKDP, often referred to as the MiG-41, is shrouded in both ambition and uncertainty. Unveiled as a successor to the MiG-31, the PAKDP is envisioned as a sixth-generation interceptor that could redefine air defense capabilities. Designed to reach blistering speeds between Mach 4 and Mach 5, this aircraft aims to operate at the edge of the atmosphere with the potential to intercept not only enemy aircraft, but also missiles and even satellites. Advanced features like a pulse detonation engine, electromagnetic pulse weaponry, and anti-satellite capabilities set the MiG-41 apart in concept. However, as of August 2025, no prototype has taken to the skies. The program faces major technical hurdles, particularly with the highly experimental engine technology, and Russia's existing challenges with fifth-generation fighters cast doubt on its timeline. While the MiG-41 promises a leap into the future, its reality remains elusive amid significant economic and technological constraints. Some say it's just a myth. Others believe it's the future of air combat. Hidden deep within Russian aerospace programs, a mysterious project known as the MiG-41 promises to shatter every known limit of fighter jet technology. But what is truth and what is just propaganda? For decades, the MiG-31 Foxhound has been Russia's high-speed interceptor, capable of defending vast stretches of its airspace. But technology is evolving fast. Hypersonic missiles, stealth bombers, and even space-based threats are changing the rules of aerial warfare. Russia says it needs a new predator of the skies, a next-generation interceptor able to strike where no fighter has ever flown before. The so-called MiG-41, officially known as the PAKDP project, is designed to fly at Mach 4 or more. That's over 4,000 kilometers per hour. Fast enough to outrun and destroy even hypersonic weapons. Rumors suggest it could operate in the upper layers of the atmosphere, even touching the edge of space, intercepting satellites and incoming threats long before they reach Russian territory. Reports hint at mind-blowing features. Advanced stealth coatings invisible to radar, AI-assisted flight controls, unmanned or drone variants, and even laser-based weapon systems to neutralize hypersonic targets. If these claims are true, the MiG-41 could become the deadliest interceptor ever built. But here's the other side of the story. Russia has yet to fully mass-produce its fifth-generation Su-57 stealth fighter. Developing a Mach 4 plus sixth-generation aircraft could cost billions and demand technologies that may not even exist yet. Some analysts believe the MiG-41 is more dream than reality, a powerful propaganda tool designed to impress rivals and inspire fear. Still, Russian officials insist the program is real. They claim the first prototype could fly by 2025 with full service entry in the 2030s. Whether it's fact or fiction, one thing is clear. If the MiG-41 ever takes to the skies, it could change the balance of air power forever. What do you think? Is the MiG-41 Russia's ultimate secret weapon, or just a futuristic fantasy that may never leave the drawing board? One thing is certain, the race for the skies has only just begun.